All right, today we're gonna bring a fan slash light. All right, so this one has 4 lights. You can make them as powerful as you want, as bright as you want, and then you got to put it together. It's a square system, and of course the fan and the last part to adjust it, and to give the remote, including the screwdrivers and everything that you're going to require to put it together. So it's very simple to put the square. Now these things, you got to adjust them to center them. All right, to center the light, you're gonna have to tie every single pole. See how it is tied up to the actual top. So if you guys can see, there's all these, and they give you 2 screws for each side, and they give you plus extra screws just in case. So here we are. These are adjustable up and down. All right, just a little bit. They give you a little tiny bit. So make sure that the fan's not going to hit the light bulbs. All right, if you get larger light bulbs, you might be able to hit the fan, so be careful about that. You guys notice when I spin the fan, all right, it's hitting this light bulb. All right, so just push it back just to be safe. Push them all back. All right, and make sure there's nothing, and then when it spins, it's going to spin that way without hitting anything. All right, perfect. Here's the first look. Look at all the light bulbs I turned on. This is a little bright, but you could tone it down depending on your actual light bulb that you want. Now we're gonna go ahead and set up the actual fan to run. All right, so we got a remote here. All right, you're gonna hit number 1. We're gonna hit number 1. Let's go feel the air. It's flush on the top. Perfect lighting. The room is really dark, so it gives it a lot of light here. If you have this, look at, and I have it number 1. Let's go number 6. Ooh, you could feel it. You could hear it too. You feel it right under. So if you sleep, like if your bed's right underneath of it, it's perfect. And like I said, you can go different modes. All right, you could turn them all off. All right, we're gonna turn it back on. All right. So this is remote control that's going to give you a couple hours. If you forget to turn off your fan, you could set up a program. If you're going to fall asleep and you need air, you don't want to wake up cold, just program it. 4 hours, 2 hours, all the way to 4 hours, all right? So it's not bad.